Here's the April 11th trade recap. Let's get right into it, boys. Oh, reveal. So I took a great trade today with the best trading strategy, and if you want to find out more about the strategy, the link to my course is in the description. It's only $10,000 and you'll be profitable forever. Psych! Do not sell a course, but let's get into it. So I'm like be more in depth in these videos to like help explain why I took a trade. So daily is bullish. We can tell daily is bullish because we had a break of structure to the upside right here. And our break of structure is when a high a candle closes above a high or below a low. So this is a break of structure to the upside because we closed above this high, and highs are just, every high is a 2 candlestick pattern. It's a move up. Well, why is my drawing like magnetized? That's kind of, hold on. Well, the magnet's not even on. Why is it so everything is just a move up. Every high is a move up and a move down and a low. This is so weird. Hold on. I don't know what's going on with this crap. There has to be like something messed up. Right? But every high is move up and a move down, and every low is a move down, then a move up. So that's a high. We closed above it. It's bullish for the day. Georgia, get out. I'm recording a video. Sorry about that. So yeah, we're bullish for the day on the daily. I don't know, like my drawing snapped. Why are my drawings snapped to the thingamabob? Canvas. Like. Why are you doing it? It's gonna make me crash out. Like it's like snapped to the grid. Like, oh my gosh, I'm about to get so mad. Alright. Let's just continue. So we are bullish on the daily. We go to the 4-hour time frame. So are all my things just snapped? So we go to the 4-hour time frame. Sorry, we need to mark out when market opened today. That's market open. So we see 4-hour. When we opened, we were bearish, and we see if daily's bullish and 4 hours bearish, it's a retracement on the daily. So then we can find daily building blocks like this daily fair value gap that we retraced into, this massive order block that we retraced into, and equilibrium that we also retraced into. Since we hit all those things, then we need confirmation to the upside. So we see 1 hour was bullish because we broke structure to the upside. So that's like our first set of confirmation. Confirmation is 1 hour becoming bullish. Then we see, so we broke structure to the upside. Then we see on the 15 minute, I saw we have this order block right here. We tap into it. If you scale down, you see we got a reaction out. Then we consolidated for a little bit. Then look. Oh. We swept this liquidity. Broke structure to the upside. I marked out this order block. Scaled down to 1 minute. And so I scaled down to 1 minute. Was waiting for a tap into the order block and a break of structure. Then I entered, targeted previous areas of liquidity, so just different highs and stuff. And boom, it was a really good trade, and I sold before market closed for the day because it's a Friday. It's a Friday. Yes, sir. And this is how I could have improved. The improvement segment of the video. Look at this. Looky here. See, the retracement wasn't over. I should have waited. So we already hit the order block and got a reaction, but I should have waited for us to hit the order block, come to, this is 5 minute equilibrium. Well, that's not it. Come to, yeah. 5 minute equilibrium, and then, come to 5 minute equilibrium, and then, look at this, look. I should have waited to come to 5 minute equilibrium, then see, then another liquidity sweep, then boom, another order block, wait to come into that order block, then enter, then boom, look, then enter, right when we get rejection out of the order block, a bullish close out of it, put stop on at this retracement / 1 minute liquidity sweep, then target previous areas of liquidity, and boom, look, 1 to 9 risk reward ratio is what I could have had. That's insane. That's 10xing the risk, bro. So that means if I would have won that trade, that means it would take me 10 trades of risking the same amount, because I always risk the same amount. It's using risk management. It would take me 10 trades to lose that game, bro. That's why it's important to wait for a good stop loss entry. And I couldn't do that because I was in the class that had no Wi-Fi when that retracement happened, so I just entered off that. And it was still a winning trade, so that is all that matters. I ended up being profitable for the day. I only took one trade. Discipline is key. Like and subscribe. Woo. And oh, that's old water. And I hope you guys enjoyed the I hope you guys are enjoying the content. And see you on the next trade recap, which should be on Monday. Peace.